In this video, you are going to learn how to install Angular CLI. I'm going to use a specific version of Angular CLI. If you have already installed Angular CLI, I want you to remove that. First of all, you need to run this command sudo npm install -t. Actually, I need to uninstall the previous version. If you have installed Angular CLI, I want you to remove that. Add Angular/CLI. It will ask me the password. And the second step, you need to remove the npm cache. If you're using Mac, you need to use the sudo keyword. It will take some time to remove the cache. You can also use yarn to remove the cache. I'm going to use this yarn to remove the cache. I have already installed the yarn on my machine. Let me run the sudo. Cool. It has cleared the cache. Now I need to install the specific version of Angular. I am going to use 1.7.4. Make sure you must have installed this version. I have created the whole course by using this version 1.7.4. It's a CLI version. It provides me Angular 5 version. I'll show you how to upgrade the Angular 5 project to Angular 6 in the later videos. I'm going to use the sudo keyword. Now it is going to install this specific version 1.7.4. Angular CLI has installed. Now I'm going to create a new project. First of all, let me show you my Angular CLI version. I can run this command ng-v. Now you can see that here we have Angular CLI 1.7.4 and I'm using the Node 8.9.4 version. Now it's time to generate a new project. I'm going to use ng-new, the name of the project. You can choose any name. I'm going to use material production. I also want to use another flag style. I'm going to use sass here, SCSS. You need to provide this flag. A project has created. Now it is going to install all the npm dependencies. My Angular project has created. Let me navigate to my project, material production. Now we need to run the project by using ng-serve. Project is running at localhost 4200. Let me go to this URL. Here we have welcome to the Angular app.